To get started installing the LavEx floor-mounted extended lavatory carrier, remove all carrier parts from the packing and begin pre-assembly, but do not tighten the screws down completely at this time. We won't tighten the screws completely until the LavEx multi-unit lavatory carrier is lined up in place and adjusted to the correct height. Next, locate the crossplate brackets on the back of the crossbar and slide them down onto the leg assembly. Use the included hex bolts to bolt them in place at the correct height. Now slide the clip onto the end of the long crossbar and gently tap against the edge of the crossplate clip until it sits fully on the crossbar rail. The clips will slide across the bar to the correct location for the arm supports. Next, attach all legs and clips to the crossbar and space the arm supports according to the fixture's manufacturer's rough-in dimensions. After that, place the LavEx in the correct position and bolt it to the floor with minimum half-inch anchor bolts. You can adjust the concealed carrier arms using the holes on top of the support. Insert the arms into the carrier support and adjust according to the wall thickness. Once you've made your adjustments, bolt the carrier arms to the supports. Finally, follow fixture's manufacturer's recommendations for installing the fixture. For full installation instructions, visit watts.com.